Have you ever quit something that you found was super beneficial for your life and you're kind of looking back saying, man, why did I even quit that? And now it's just a struggle to kind of try to get back into that thing you quit? Well, if that's you, then today this video is definitely for you as well. So if you're watching this, you're watching it because you quit something in the past that you felt was super beneficial for you and you're trying to get back into what you quit. And you're kind of maybe worried that you might quit again, and then you're just doing this rinse and repeat cycle, and it's like, well, if I'm just going to keep doing this, why should I keep doing it? That's why a lot of us quit. We quit something that we know is super helpful for us, and then we just don't do it again because we know ourselves that, look, I'm just going to quit again, so what's it worth? Well, today I'm going to be talking about a couple things of why you should never quit. And listen, I've heard all the YouTube speeches, all the motivational speeches that kind of get you amped up when you're watching them. And you feel like, yeah, I'm never going to quit this again. And then you quit. So while I am here to help you today, I'm more here to help you find your own answer, not for me to really give you the answer. Because yeah, I could find a whole bunch of tips and tricks online. I could find websites and resources and I could send them all your way. But really, if you don't want to quit something, you have to find it within yourself. So how we're going to do that is anytime I teach someone something or talk about something, I do it to myself first. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to grab a book. And I have one, and maybe it's a phone that you can type something in. And what we're going to do is we're going to write down at the top, you're going to write in the title, why I don't want to quit. And then we're going to have a little blank space and we're going to fill that in with what we don't want to quit. Yeah, there's probably a lot of things sometimes that we don't want to quit, but we want to focus on one thing right now. What I wrote, maybe you can see that, I'll bring that up. Why I don't want to quit creating. Now, creating what you mean, I love creating these videos. I love creating music. I love creating joy. I love just to create. When I'm creating, I'm at my best. So whatever you wrote down, that's what we're going to focus on. So why I don't want to quit blank. Now from there, I wrote three things, and that's what you're going to write today. You got to at least be able to write one. You might not be able to write three, and you might even be able to write more than three, which good job if you can. But you have to at least write one. If you don't even have one reason for why you don't want to quit something, then to be honest, why are you doing it? That really is something you should evaluate. If you want to do something, you should have at least one reason for why you don't want to quit it. So, all right, so we have our title down, and we're going to go over a point. Number one, it brings abundant joy and energy to my life. When I create, it brings energy that I couldn't find when I'm not creating. You can steal mine too if you want. If what you don't want to quit brings energy and joy in your life, then keep with it. Number two, it gives me deeper purpose. So this is a big one, and I think this could be on everyone's list. The deeper part is important. I have purpose. I take care of my family. I go to work, and those things give me purpose, and I love doing those things. But what I do in the side is trying to find deeper purpose. Whatever you're trying not to quit, make sure it gives you deeper meaning so that you can just wake up and do it every day without fail. And the last one, it allows me to learn, which allows me then to create more and also teach. You're learning more about whatever you're doing, then you're going to want to do it more because it intrigues you and it makes you dig deeper into it. And then you're able to teach others, which then gives you even more benefit. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to rip that out. I'll fold that up and I'll put that in my wallet. That's what I recommend to you. Put it in your purse, put it in your wallet, put it somewhere close to you. So every day, this is with you. I can fold that up better later. But every day when you feel like quitting, you open up that piece of paper, you open up that note that's on your phone and you say, I'm not quitting this today. And this is why. So it could have 1 point, it could have 10 points, it could have 20 points, but you don't need to quit. You can do whatever you set your mind to, but sometimes we just need a reminder, and this is that reminder. So I hope this was helpful for you today, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next week.